Thank you for the confirmation. So welcome back everybody to another session on data analytics using Microsoft Excel. We are into day 8. Okay, this is the 8th day of our training and we have covered quite a lot of things so far. If any of you is attending this session for the first time, has not gone through the previous videos, I would request you and recommend that you go through them so you can keep up with the flow. All the videos are there on YouTube, so please do subscribe to the channel for many more such trainings which are lined up so that you can get the notifications. And right, without much delay, let's dive into the topics for today. So before that, a quick recap of what we had done yesterday. We looked at index and match, how they are used to look up for a certain value in a table or in a range of values. We also understood about the two-way lookup. We looked at some basic functions which can be used for formatting the text. And then we looked at how to format the data in a table. Okay, so today we will be continuing with that concept, quick recap of formatting data in the table. Then we will look at how to create pivot tables, working with pivot tables, summarizing the data there. And if time permits, we will be looking at get pivot data. Otherwise, we will